Hi guys, there is an update coming from the USA for Carnival employees. There is a port called Port Canaveral in USA, Florida, and there is a vaccination going on. You can see in this news.
Canaveral is the first U.S. port to offer COVID-19 vaccines to cruise ship members and can do up to 1,700 per day. Florida expanded vaccine eligibility to anyone who provides goods or services in the state, which means international cruise ship crews can get their shot. The most recent CDC guidance says cruise ships can set sail with vaccinated crews and passengers as early as mid-July.
Here, we're marching them through. We'll be here as long as necessary. Get every cruise ship in here that wants to get in here and get their crews vaccinated. Like I said, we're here, we're ready, and it's a good day in Port Canaveral.
This vaccination effort will continue for the next several weeks, continuing with Carnival cruise ships this week and Royal Caribbean next week.
Around 1,700 people getting vaccinated. The crew member, I'm saying. Carnival is getting ready for the cruising.